Right, we're going to open a present from America. Let's put all these away, because you'll just want your old ones. Let's wait a minute now. Go and get a present from America. Leave that now. Come on, hang on. Oh, well, come on. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Come on, let's see what we've got. Come on. Close that door. Oh, come on. What have we got? Oh, now wait a minute. Wait a minute. What have we got? Hey, what have we got? What's that? Hey, what is it? Wait. Listen. Wait a minute. Let's do this. Let's do this in a bit of order. No, wait. Let's take the top. Wait. Come out. Oh, look. Wait a minute. Oh, Jodie. What's this then? What's this then? Wait a minute. Let's see what we've got. What's this? Oh, look. Let's see. This is to me. This is to me. So we're not opening that one yet. Wait. Hang on. Here. Whoa. What's this? Wait. Hang on. What's this? What's this? Oh, look. Come and see what this is. Hello, darling. What's this? Let's see. Oh, Ellie, look. Oh, just look at that. Come and see. What's that? Don't eat those, darling. Don't eat those. You'll be sick. Oh, let's see what you've got. Come here. What have we got here? Oh, lovely. Happy Christmas. Don't take it off him. Give it to him. Come here. Come here. Let's see what we've got. Let's see. What is it? It's a... I don't know what it is, really. It's a spice, I think. Here, Ross. Come and get it. Yay! Oh, Jodie won one. Come on, let's see what else we've got. Wait a minute now. We'll open that one later. Oh, look! Look at this! Come on, Jode. Come on, head out. Head out. Oh, what's this then? Hey? What's this one? What's this one? Come on then. Oh, look! You got another one. Oh, I'll get you. I'll get you. Ellie, come on. Ellie, come on. Let's see. Ellie, what have you got? Let's see. Come on. Let's see what we've got. We don't want those, do we? No. Should we get you your squeaky? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here. Here, we get you a squeaky. Oh, look. Hey. There you go. Here, you get that one. That's. Come on. In you go. Ross has got his old thing back. Ross has got his old thing back, haven't you, Ross? Hey, now should we see what my nice presents are? Let's look at this one. Whoa, let's look at this one. Hey, this is from Connor and Tess. What's this? Oh, puppy love keepsake. Let's see what this is. See what this is. Look at that! Look at that! Isn't that pretty? Hey? Christmas tree, a little ornament. Hey? Oh, it's a pretty little thing. Right, now let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. This is for me, I think. Not for dogs. No, it's not for dogs. No, gently now, because it might be... Right, gently. Made in the USA. Hey, it's made in the USA. Oh, wait till we see this. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's just... Oh, that's perfect. That's a lovely present. Thank you. That's lovely. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. That's lovely. while you get yours. There you go. That's lovely, Annie. And Jim, thank you so much. That's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That's lovely. Oh, that's just lovely. Thank you. You all happy? Everybody happy?